Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today we're tackling a space that's often overlooked but oh so important, the entryway. Your entryway is the first impression of your home. It should be warm, welcoming, and most importantly, functional. We're going to transform your entryway with clever storage solutions. Get ready for a stylish and organized space you'll love coming home to. Remember that feeling of walking into a messy entryway? Shoes everywhere, coats piled on chairs, and keys nowhere to be found. It's time to say goodbye to entryway chaos. We're going to create a space that's both stylish and functional. Imagine this. You open your front door to a clutter-free and inviting entryway. Everything has its place, from shoes and coats to keys and mail, plus it looks amazing. That's the power of hidden storage solutions. Get ready to combine style and functionality for an entryway that wows. Let's dive into some creative DIY storage ideas that will not only help you organize your space, but also add a personal touch to your home decor. Today, we're focusing on transforming your entryway into a functional and stylish space. These projects are perfect for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike, so no matter your skill level, you can create something amazing. Get ready to unleash your inner Crafty Corner Pro Max. With a little creativity and effort, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. First up, let's talk trays. Decorative trays are like magic for corralling clutter. They not only keep your items organized, but also add a touch of elegance to your entryway. Place one on your entryway table or shelf to collect keys, wallets, sunglasses, and other small essentials. This way, you'll always know where to find them. Choose a tray that complements your entryway's style for a cohesive look. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, or vintage, there's a tray for you. Next, we're adding texture and storage with wicker baskets. Wicker baskets bring a touch of rustic charm to your entryway, plus they're incredibly versatile. They can be used for a variety of storage needs. Use them to store shoes, bags, scarves, or even blankets. They are perfect for keeping your entryway tidy and organized. You can find wicker baskets in various sizes, so choose ones that fit your storage needs and entryway dimensions. Mix and match different sizes for a dynamic look. No entryway is complete without a console table. A narrow console table is your secret weapon for maximizing space. It's perfect for small entryways where every inch counts. Place it against the wall and use it to hold decorative items like lamps and vases. This not only adds functionality but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your entryway. Underneath, add baskets or storage bins for hidden storage. This is a great way to keep things out of sight while still having them easily accessible. If you're handy with tools, consider building custom cabinets. Built-in cabinets provide ample storage and can be customized to fit your entryway's exact dimensions. They are perfect for creating a seamless look. Use them to store shoes, coats, bags, and anything else you want out of sight. With custom cabinets, you can design the perfect storage solution for your needs. We're not stopping there. Let's explore even more storage solutions to take your entryway to the next level. Wall hooks are a must-have for any entryway. Install a row of hooks near the door to hang coats, bags, hats, and scarves. Choose hooks that complement your entryway's style, whether it's modern, farmhouse, or industrial. Cabinets with drawers are a game changer for concealed storage. Use them to store shoes, gloves, hats, and other small items that tend to clutter up the entryway. You can find cabinets with drawers in various styles and sizes to match your entryway's aesthetic. Looking for a stylish and functional seating option? Storage benches are the answer. These versatile pieces provide a place to sit while taking off shoes and offer hidden storage underneath. Use the storage space to store shoes, boots, or even seasonal items like hats and gloves. For a classic look, opt for a freestanding coat rack. Freestanding coat racks are perfect for hanging coats, jackets, and hats. Choose one with a sturdy base to prevent tipping. Calling all IKEA fans. If you're looking to revamp your entryway without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Get ready to transform your entryway with these budget-friendly IKEA hacks. These simple yet effective ideas will make a big impact. We're combining style and affordability for a winning combination. You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve a stylish look. IKEA's picture ledges are not just for pictures. They are versatile and can be used in many creative ways. Install a picture ledge near your entryway door and use it to hold keys, mail, and small decorative items. It's a great way to keep things organized and within reach. Add some hooks underneath to hang coats, bags, or hats. This not only saves space but also keeps your entryway tidy and clutter-free. Upgrade your IKEA cabinets with mesh doors. This simple change can make a big difference in the look and feel of your entryway. Mesh doors add a touch of modern farmhouse charm to your entryway while still allowing you to see what's inside. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. Use these cabinets to store shoes, bags, or other items you want to keep out of sight but easily accessible. This helps maintain a clean and organized space. IKEA's mirrors are your secret weapon for brightening and enlarging your entryway. They reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Hang a large mirror above your console table or on a blank wall to reflect light and make the space feel larger than it is. It's a simple trick with a big impact. Turn IKEA's shoe cabinets into stylish consoles. This hack is perfect for those who need extra storage but don't want to compromise on style. Place 2 shoe cabinets side by side and top them with a wooden board or countertop. This creates a seamless and functional piece of furniture. You'll have a functional console table with hidden storage for shoes. It's a clever way to keep your entryway looking neat and stylish. Section 5. Small spaces, big impact. Don't worry if you have a small entryway. These home improvement tips will help you maximize your space and create a functional and stylish entryway. When choosing furniture for a small entryway, think small space scale. Opt for furniture with a smaller footprint, like a narrow console table or a slim storage bench. Avoid bulky furniture that will overwhelm the space. Create zones within your entryway to define different areas for specific purposes. For example, you could have a zone for shoes, a zone for coats, and a zone for keys and mail. This will help you stay organized and make the most of your space. Don't let corners go to waste. Maximize corner space with shelves or corner furniture. Corner shelves are perfect for displaying decorative items or storing small items like keys and wallets. Make the most of windows by using windowsills for storage or seating. You can add a cushion to a windowsill to create a cozy seating area or use it to display plants or decorative items. Section 6. Mirrors, your secret weapon for a spacious entryway. Let's talk about the power of mirrors. Mirrors are not just functional, they are transformative elements in interior design. Mirrors are a designer's secret weapon for creating the illusion of more space, especially in small entryways. They can make a cramped area feel open and airy. Get ready to reflect your way to a more spacious and inviting entryway. The right mirror can completely change the vibe of your space. Mirrors reflect light, which can make a small entryway feel brighter and more open. This is especially useful in areas that lack natural light. Place a large mirror on a wall opposite a window to bounce natural light around the space. This trick can amplify the brightness and make the room feel more expansive. Choose a mirror with a decorative frame to add style and personality to your entryway. The frame can be a statement piece that complements your decor. A statement mirror can serve as a focal point and enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. It draws the eye and can be a conversation starter. Consider the shape of your mirror carefully. Different shapes can evoke different feelings and styles. Round mirrors can soften the look of a small entryway, adding a touch of elegance and fluidity to the space, while rectangular mirrors can make the space feel taller. They draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to see what works best in your entryway. Sometimes an unexpected choice can make the biggest impact. Don't be afraid to get creative with mirror placement. Think outside the box and try different spots until you find the perfect one. You can hang a mirror above a console table, which not only looks stylish but also serves a practical purpose. Lean a large mirror against the wall, creating a casual yet chic look, or even create a gallery wall with multiple mirrors. This can add depth and interest to your entryway, making it a true reflection of your style. Section 7. Declutter and conquer. Before you start implementing these amazing storage solutions, it's crucial to declutter and organize your entryway. A clutter-free space is a happy space. Start by removing everything from your entryway. This includes shoes, coats, bags, keys, mail, and any other items that have accumulated over time. Sort through everything and decide what you need to keep, what you can donate, and what you can toss. Be honest with yourself about what you actually use and need in your entryway. Once you've decluttered, it's time to organize what's left. Use the storage solutions we discussed earlier to create designated spots for everything in your entryway. Make decluttering and organizing a regular habit. Set aside a few minutes each week to tidy up your entryway and put things back in their designated spots. This will help you maintain a clutter-free and inviting entryway year-round. Section 8. Join the Crafty Corner Pro Max community. We hope these DIY storage solutions have inspired you to transform your entryway into a stylish and functional space. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more amazing DIY projects and home improvement tips. We love seeing your creations. Share your entryway makeovers with us on social media using the hashtag #CraftyCornerProMax. Your creativity inspires us. Join our Crafty Corner Pro Max community and connect with fellow DIY enthusiasts from around the world. Share your tips, ask questions, and get inspired by each other's creativity. We're passionate about helping you create a home you love, one DIY project at a time. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas and easy-to-follow tutorials. Section 9. Ready, set, transform. Congratulations. You're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to transform your entryway into a stylish and functional space you'll love coming home to. Remember to have fun with it and let your personal style shine through. Happy crafting!